Now we are going to design FSM for the set of strings divisible by 3 over decimal number system. For designing FSM, we should know machine function in which input I with the current state S produces output O. State function input I with the current state goes to the next state. So what is I? Because I is needed in both the function. So the I is given as sigma in your question as the decimal numbers. So decimal numbers means the number from 0 to 9. So what we have to do? We have to first of all create the strings by using the formula sigma closure. So after creating using this formula, we will get all these strings from 00 to 99 and so on. So after knowing this I, what we are going to know? So the I will be what number system from 0 to so on 0 1 2 3 4 7 6 8 9 10 11 12 like that till infinity. The third step will be what will be I, what will be S. So for finding S, we have to start solving the question manually. So what is given in the question? We have to find the divisibility by 3. The first number that was generated is 0. Whether 0 is divisible by 3, yes, the remainder is 0. So when 0 is divided by 3, remainder will be 0. 1 is when it's divided by 3, remainder will be 1. 2 when divided by 3, remainder will be 2. 3 when divided by 3, remainder is 0. 4 when divided by 3, remainder is 1. 5 when divided, remainder 0, remainder 2. 6 when divided by 3, remainder 0. 7 when divided by 3, remainder 1. 8 when divided by 3, remainder 2. 9 when divided by 3, remainder 0. That means based on these remainders, we can see the remainders are either 0 1 2 0 1 2 0 1 2. That means we have concluded that the input which are generating output as 0, we are going to combine them together. So 0 3 6 9 are the input that are producing number output 0 with the remainder 0. 2 5 8 2 5 and 8 are the numbers which are going to have remainder common as 2. So 2 5 8 will be clubbed together. 1 4 7 1 4 and 7 are the number which are producing remainder as 1. So I we are going to divide based on the remainder. So 0 3 6 9 remainder 0, 2 5 8 remainder 2, 1 4 7 remainder 1. Now after dividing till 9, now we are going to divide 10. So when we are going to divide 10, remainder will be obviously 1. Now suppose this is the 2-bit number. Now we are going to divide 3-bit number 101. When 101 we are going to divide. So out of that we are going to consider 10. So 3 3s are 9. So the remainder will be 1 with the next bit as 1. So this will be considered as the previous remainder 1 and the next bit as 1 will make number 11. Number 11 when divided by 3, what we are going to get? We are going to get remainder 2. Similarly for 102, when we are going to divide 10 by 9, so what we are going to get? We are going to get previous remainder as 1 and the next bit as 2 will make number 12. Now number 12 is divisible by 3. 103 similarly with the remainder, previous remainder as 1, next bit as 3 will make a remainder as 1. So based on these remainders, now based on the remainder we had divided I into 3 groups, and similarly after checking the remainders we are going to have 3 different states, remainder 0 1 and 2. So we had given the name as q0 q1 and q2, remainder 0 by q1, remainder 1 q1, remainder 2 and q2. The next step is what will be O. From our previous discussion, the remainders will be either 0 1 and 2. So their output will be 0 1 and 2. Now for designing FSM, we should design MAF ka whatever input we are required, I, S and O. Now we have all these bits ready in our hand. I in the 3 sets, S Q0 Q1 Q2 and O as 0 1 2. Now we are going to design machine function input with the current state produces output. So the input, these 3 sets of input with the states Q0 Q1 Q2 will produce the outputs here. So now Q0 with the next bit as 0. So Q0 with the next bit is 0. Q0 produces remainder 0 with the next bit 0 will produce the output 0. Now Q0 that is remainder 0 with the next bit 3. So the 3 is divisible by 3, yes, with the remainder 0. Now Q0 with 1. Q0 with 1. Previous remainder as 0 with the next bit as 1 will make number 1. When the number 1 is divisible by 3, no, producing remainder 1. So what is the output of remainder 1 is 1. Now previous remainder 0 with the next bit as 4. Whether 4 is divisible by 3? No, with the remainder 1. So what output is generated at the end? 1. Now next bit Q0 with Q, Q0 with 2 is 0 with 2. Whether 2 is divisible by 3? No, with the remainder 2. Now Q1 with 0, Q1 previous remainder 1 and the next bit as 0 will mark number 10, will make number 10. The 10 is divisible by 3? No, with the remainder 1. Now Q1 with 3, remainder 1 with 3, that will make number 3. Whether 13 is number, that will make number 13. Whether 13 is divisible by 3? No, with the remainder 1. Similarly for this one, Q1 with 1, previous remainder 1 and the next bit as 1 will make number 11. Number 11 will produces remainder 2. Now Q1 with 4, Q1 with 4 will make number 14. When divided by 3 will give us remainder 2. The next bit Q1 is 1 with the next bit as 2 will make number 12. Number 12 is completely divisible by 3. Now Q2 with 0 will make number 20. Number 20 is not divisible with the number 2, with the remainder 2. Now 2 and 1, previous remainder 2 and the next bit as 1 will make number 21 with the remainder 0. Previous remainder 2 with the next bit as 2 will make number 22. So number 22 will give us remainder as 1. Now as seen in the diagram, so now we'll take the help of this diagram, machine function. Machine function Q0 with 0 produces output 0. So output 0 indicate which state Q0 with this bit, same bit here represents state Q0. Q0 with this bit remainder 1. So remainder 1 will be marked as Q1. Q0 with 2, what kind of remainder? Remainder 2. Remainder 2 is marked with the state Q2. Now Q1 with 0369, Q1 with 0369 produces output 1. Output 1 is represented by the state Q1. Q1 with 147, Q1 with 147. What kind of output or remainder is 2? Remainder 2 is indicated by the state 2. Q1 with 258, Q1 with 258. Output is 0, so the state will be Q0. Q2 with 0369, Q2 with 0369. Output is 2, that is represented by the state Q2. Q2 with 147, output is 0. Q2 with 147, output is 0, indicated by the state Q0. Q2 with 258, output is 1, that is represented by Q1. So this is how we have completed your state function. Now we are going to draw the state transition diagram. Always we are going to mark the initial state as a number 0, in which the number 0, first number that is generated in the decimal number system is 0. 0 divided by 3, output is 0. That means remainder 0, which is divisible, that is divisibility by 3. That's why we have marked Q0 as the initial state. Now we are going to combine both the machine function and a state function together. So Q0 with 0369, Q0 with 0369. What is the output? Output is 0, that we have to combine here. Now again Q0 with 0369, where it is going? Q0 with 0369, it is going to itself. Now next bit Q0 with 147, Q0 with 147. What kind of output? Q0 with 147 produces output 1. So output we have to combine by putting arrow. Where it is going? Q0 with 147, it is going to Q1. So Q0 with 147, it is going to here. Now Q0 with 258. So Q0 is written, but where is 258? That we have to write here. Now we have to combine this input with the output. So Q0 with 258 produces output 2. It produces output 2. Where it is going? Q0 with 258 is going to Q2. Now Q1 with 0369. Here is Q1. One bit is not written, so we have to write bit here. 0369. What kind of output? Output is 0. Q1 with 0369. Output is 1. So output is 1. So Q1 with 0369. What is going to? It is going to itself. Now Q1 with 147. Q1 with 147. What is the output we have to combine? Output is 2. Where it is going? Q1 with 147 is going to Q2. Q1 with 258, Q1 with 258, 258. What is output? Q1 with 258, output is 0. Q1 with 258 going to Q0. Now Q2 with 0369, Q2 with 0369, 0369. What is the output? Q2 with 0369, output is 2. That is going, Q2 with 0369 is going to Q2 itself. Q2 with 147, what is the output? Q2 with 147, Q2 with 147, what is the output? Output is 0. Where it is going? Q2 with 147 is going to Q0. Now Q2 with 258, with 258, what is the output? Output is 1. Where it is going? Q2 with 258 is going to Q1. So this is how we had completed FSM for decimal number divisible by 3.